global premiere of the new Nexon.
The DNA that makes a Nexon successful has been carried through, and what we've done is we've really dialed up the volume on this version of the Nexon.
Only delivering what the customer is asking for is like maintaining status quo. But when you actually surpass the expectations, that's where you actually move your brand way ahead.
The new Nexon comes packaged with industry-leading tech to make our consumers live and feel like the future is now.
After looking at all the features the car comes with now, excitement has gone up for sure.
The one feature that I most look forward to trying out is the 10.25-inch digital cluster.
Looking forward to driving the DCA especially.